Hey everyone, Erica here. Today we'll be making one of my all-time favorite cravings, spicy Korean fried chicken. Since quarantine, this has been a mad craving of mine and I haven't been able to get my weekly dose of fried chicken and beer. This is a simple recipe I've created, so for those of you who are on the same boat, let's get frying! We will start off by mixing cornstarch and flour together. The ratio is approximately 2:1. After mixing, coat each piece of chicken thoroughly in the mixture. Make sure to get the tips of the chicken coated as well, as the starch will really help lock in the chicken juices and really keep it nice and tender. It will also prevent your chicken from just drying out and turning into cardboard. So set your chicken aside and get your stovetop ready. Once your wok is ready, pour in your oil, and you can test the readiness of it by dipping the tip of the chicken into the oil first. If it sizzles, then it is ready. Start placing the thickest part of your chicken face down in the oil. Once you see that that side is done, you want to keep rotating the chicken so that all sides are fully cooked. We are going to fry our chicken twice, so the first time around we're going to cook until the chicken becomes light golden brown. So set that aside once it's done and get ready to double fry it again. If you're wondering why we're double frying, it's because we want our chicken to be extra crispy. We'll be adding sauce later, so we don't want our chicken getting soggy. Just like the first time around, let's continue rotating our chicken to make sure that all sides get that really nice golden brown color. We'll set that to the side and let's start prepping our sauce. We're going to be mincing our garlic for this recipe, so go ahead and prep that. The amount of garlic you use is totally up to you. Normally people recommend 2 to 4 cloves, but I love garlic, so I'm going to put in around 3/4 of a whole. And just a side note, who here also loves the smell of garlic hands? Because I know I do. Okay, moving on. So we're going to add some oil into our preheated wok and throw in our minced garlic. Start sauteing your garlic to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of your wok. We just want the garlic cooked, not to a golden brown color. Next, let's add 1/8 cup of light soy sauce. Then you're going to add 1/4 cup of water to dilute the saltiness. Then, to add a glaze to our chicken, we add 1/8 cup of honey. Let's not be wasteful, so let's get all that honey in there. Start scraping. Scrape, scrape, scrape. Alright, next we add 2 tablespoons of rice wine. And last but not least, add 2 generous spoons of chili powder. The amount you add is completely up to you and how well you tolerate spiciness. If you choose not to add any, you get an equally delicious Korean soy chicken recipe. You can see that our sauce has become quite thick and it's almost like the Korean paste gochujang. Once the sauce boils, add the fried chicken and start coating it with sauce. Once you see that the chicken is thoroughly coated in sauce, let's sprinkle some roasted black and white sesame seeds. Please note that sesame seeds do burn easily, so you will have to roast on low heat, and remember to keep an eye on it. For the very last step, don't forget to serve your fried chicken with some soju and beer. Now you have the super easy spicy Korean fried chicken recipe in your pocket, as well as the alternative soy fried chicken. Let me know in the comments what recipe you would like to see next, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.